Okay, he's got this fancy thing here that's too short, but we'll see how it works. You don't have any tap cutting fluid either, do you?
Yes, I do.
Me too. Yeah. You like it?
You want it or not?
I already got some. Yeah, I got some fancy stuff right here, STP. God's gift to lubricant. What in the hell is that stupid?
I got. Look, he's hating on me. I got thread cutter I can put wherever I want.
What the hell is that crap? Okay, so you gotta try to hold this thing straight and catch the original thread, not the new one, not the one that you got going. So look at your angle, make sure I'm up and down is good. I'm gonna look at it straight this way.
I have no view because the frame is in the way. Maybe if I come front.
Started tracing something. This has very low feel because of the heavy damn tool. I've already caught the right thread anyway, so. I felt to cut the first thread, it was bad, and it's the only one that mattered. Big cumbersome tools like this makes things harder to do. When you cross something, you go in at an angle. So instead of being straight, you're going at an angle like that.
Right.
So what you gotta do is hold it straight in two planes, which means you're straight. So you wanna make sure up and down is good and front to back is good. If they are, run it through. If you're lucky, it'll overcome the first thread or two that's damaged, and it'll catch the original thread and go in like it's supposed to, which is what it did.
Right.
So here you go.
I'm gonna leave this out.
It's dirty.
Just until we know for
Okay,
sure.
I need a little air nozzle where it's hidden. Was all not air nozzle at?
I got your hose down here.
I got the hose.
And the nozzle is hanging on that brand new thing that you just made.
Oh,
That works. Fantastic.
good. So
If I leave it there, I'll know where it's at.
you always know where it's at then. That's a big plus.
Oh, did you put your safety glasses on?
Every day. Open my eyes up. Yeah, you're good. It's getting kind of tight. I don't know if we're going all the way. Ugh, got tight right there. You happy?
All right. I'm glad we slowed down.
You gonna check all the others too?
Sure. While we're here, so we don't have to pull it back off.
I do it 15 times.
But I do, here in this garage, we like to do it as many times as possible so we thoroughly learn what we're doing. We have it down pat by the time it's over with.
Yeah. Well, the other threads I could see were good by the video, but yeah, except for this one here. This one doesn't want to catch. This one's got some crap going on in it. Give me that tap again. He doesn't want to catch, so I might as well just clean her up a little bit. It's all about the first thread. That's pretty much, once you go through the first thread, clean, it cleans up. After that. See after that, they all go in now, see? I could feel it was a Loctite or something deeper in, but that's no big deal. Quarter 20 at the worst.
Yeah.
They'll go right between the two threads. The pitch is spiraling
Right.
in the middle of it. It's terrible.
Let's check those two front ones because we're here, yeah?
Which two?
Is this one? Is this one?
What about this
But
one?
yeah, I mean, right. We're here. We're
You
here.
want to do all 40?
I want to go for it.
Looks like you missed the two threads on that one. This gets hard with stupid Loctite. they're going in. I'm gonna go all the way in because
Right.
my finger
The
doesn't
start's the starts, right? Like your
Right.
fingers are doing it good.
they don't like the sharp edges of this nut. Okay, give me the camera up there so I can show them the hole here. Get a before and after shot in here. There's the after shot. There was no light. What'd you do to my light? Oh, I got light now. So now you can see how the threads are clean all the way through. Well, if the light would stay on, you can see threads. See, now it's a clean thread all the way through. It's the same thread now. Before it had two different threads. So, there you go. And this one up here looked good, but the first thread was bad, but now it's good too. All right, there you go. Bingo bango.
Bongo.
We need a primary cover.
Alright. Let's try this again.
You want this? You have this whole thing
Thank you.
right to here anyway.
Thank you.
Oh. I think I just did this before, didn't I?
I'm starting to get it done too.
Just put in a hole. What are you doing? Right.
It's my rack.
You can have it. There's some Loctite on the screws. This one's got Loctite on already. I don't want that one. It's not the right size. Throw this across the room again.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
What brand is this? It's Icon. What brand is Icon?
Stop. Shh. You didn't have to go and say the name.
Is that Harbor Freight?
It is. It's their
House brand?
fancy line. Top of the line.
What they said, I told them I ratchet the pile of crap.
I didn't pass on your feelings to them.
Oh.
I did smile and say thank you for a brand new rich stuff.
So they thought it was a good tool?
Yep. They're
Oh, bull.
what's up with that?
Good job there.
Who's sleeping on the job over here?
Alright, finish out.
This is just embarrassing.
What's your spark? What's the spark in this?
It's the
Is it static electricity on?
no, it's the grease.
Oh, the hydraulic in there?
Yeah. That's what I was talking about when I pulled it off. It was juicy.
I might have a little too much in there. Just,
So juicy.
that's tight. I'm done. It's taking you so long.
I'm almost there.
sure you're doing that right.
Inside out.
All that, just put a primary cover on, inner primary. Jeez, thought it worked.
I like that.
Check the torque. Put your torque wrench on there, make sure it's tight.
Yep. We're gonna do that off camera. We don't want to slow down and waste your guys' time, so we're.
It'll waste our
Trust
time.
me, it's gonna happen.
No, it ain't. That's why the lock tabs are going down. Once you use the channel locks, it works better.
Alright. Alright.
That's what their job in life are for. In
I
case you
like
didn't
that. I like where your mind's at here.
know. Oh, geez, that was
Beautiful.
So, that was so
Look
hard.
at that.
That was
Look
so,
at it.
That was so hard to do. It's got a handle around here somewhere. There it is.
You know, it's kind of surprising you let me flounder for about 5 minutes and be like, you know, it's a lot easier if you just take it.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, don't put your middle finger in the middle.
If you use the nitpick pliers, you wouldn't have that.
Yep, these are a little big.
Nitpicks doesn't have the pinching action. See, channel locks will wake you up when you're screwing up, so that's why I pinch you.
Keep you alert.
Put your fingers right in the middle of them suckers, they'll get you every time. That was a lousy job of doing that job. There you go, you figured it out. Look at that. You happy now?
Got one.
There's
We got
5.
two. We got one. Sure.
There's 5 altogether. That's fine.
Good.
You got a Loctite on anyway, who cares? Perfect. The secondary is a hammer
Right.
too.
Bang, 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 bang. All right. Yeah.
Okay, rest break. We got to get the clutch stuff
Yeah.
now.
Heard.
Okay, get all the